This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
What is up guys, Arifur is here and welcome to Web Research Volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find any company social media link from the company website. Page up a little bit. Here you can see the company social media link. This is the Facebook icon. This is the Twitter icon. This is the Google Plus icon. This is the YouTube icon. This is the LinkedIn icon. This is the Instagram icon. This is the Pinterest icon. At first, right click on the social icon. Then click on Open link in a new tab. Open the tab. You must have to check the company location. After checking the company location, this is the Facebook page link. Just make selection this link. Then collect this link and use this link. Right click on the social media icon. Then click on copy link address and paste it on your Excel sheet. Website header. If you look very carefully in the website header, you can be able to find company social media links. Website footer. Page up and go to the footer. Here you can be able to see company social media links. Website contact us page. Click on contact us. Here you can be able to see company social media links. If you look very carefully in the website left side, you can be able to find company social media links. If you look very carefully in the website right side, you can be able to see company social media links.